Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Ontario Regiment Museum. My name is John Drygala, and I'm a member here. I've been a member since it started over 40 years ago, and I'm also retired from the Canadian Armed Forces. One of the restoration projects that we're doing this winter is this Jeep. And while a Jeep isn't one of the big glamorous armored vehicles, in fact it's probably the smallest vehicle in our collection, it has an interesting and a famous history. Officially, it's a M38A1 1971 truck utility quarter-ton 4x4 ceremonial. And it was used by the Queen in 1984 to review the troops at CNE Stadium in Toronto. And there was about 40,000 fans at that ceremony. There were only 4 of this type Jeep made at the time, and they were white. And thanks to Dave Mountney, who was the president at the time and a retired sergeant in the Ontario Regiment, we were able to acquire one of them, this one. As you can see, our team have stripped it down, removed all the bright work and the carpentry and the carpet, and we're going to send it out to be painted, and we'll restore the smaller stuff right here. We hope to finish the project by this summer, when we have the museum will be open again. If you like these videos and are interested in what we do here, why not consider becoming a volunteer? You can get all the information on Facebook or follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Thank you for watching.
Hi, my name is ISABELLE Roberts, and I'm a volunteer here at the Tank Museum. I'm also the team lead on this restoration project that we call the Queen's Jeep. So far, we've removed quite a few components off the Jeep. There were some different hood pieces that are now removed. We've taken the windshield out, and we're preparing the Jeep for the paint job. So as you can see, we've stripped out all of the seats and the railing where the Queen actually sat and stood. And we've taken out the lights, the bumpers. On this table, you'll see some of the components that we've already removed from the Jeep. We will be taking the parts and putting them through our sandblaster to remove the paint, and then we'll be repainting these parts. We've also partnered with a local collision and paint shop in the area that will be taking the main body of the Jeep and doing a really nice glossy finish for us. We're going to be also painting the rims, and we have some brand new tires that we'll be putting on the Jeep after the paint job is completed. Once we get the Jeep back from the local paint shop, we'll be reassembling all the components onto the Jeep, including the seats that fit on here. Plus, we'll see that the base of the Jeep will be covered in a red carpet. It makes it look like a very royal and ceremonial Jeep. So if you are interested in this restoration project and you'd like to follow us, we are on Facebook, or you can go to tankmuseum.ca.